Stephanie, and we're here at the Acura Ride and Drive event where people get to test drive these cars, and this is what they're saying.
The car was really, really comfortable actually, way better than I expected. It was really fun too.
Amazing car, easy to drive, fun to ride in, great colors. I want the blue one.
It was amazing. It's actually really great to be able to test drive a new car, especially a new model, and to see the additional features on there.
Oh, I loved it. Handled very well.
I like how the seats mold to your body. Very comfortable.
It was awesome. I love the car. I'm thinking about getting the 4-cylinder version.
And what'd you like about it?
I love the technology package and the backup cam. It's one of my favorites.
It had a great takeoff.
When you get out of a car, it pushes the seat back for you, so you can get out more easily.
Navigation, very easy, user-friendly.
And then the lane departure was amazing when you're actually curving out from the vehicle, when you're driving on the freeway, it protects you.
I love the headlights, the LED headlights.
How do you feel about Westfield and whether or not they should hold more events like this?
Absolutely, I think they should do it every weekend.
It's nice to have that car on display. Maybe we could do it more.
Of course. It helps the cars, it helps the people get close to the cars, knows what's happening.
Oh, certainly. I hope so. I hope so. It's a great experience for everybody.
This event actually really helps me, understand this car more.
I think if while doing your shopping, you could also include some car shopping, that would be a great thing. I think that's a great idea.
Could you see yourself driving an Acura?
Yes.
Absolutely.
Oh yeah, definitely. I mean, with the price point, it's totally ideal. I mean, there's so many other added bonus on there. It's just something you never expect for that type of price point.
Yes, I totally can.
I could totally see myself getting this car as soon as my lease is up.
Yeah, red 4-cylinder, fully loaded.
Yeah, I think that would be pretty cool and fun. Yeah.